Hello and welcome to Product Reviews by HookedOnTronics. Today we're going to talk about a car subwoofer made by Kicker. Kicker has been designing car audio products for over 35 years and is well known for their car, home, and marine audio lines that include subwoofers, speakers, amplifiers, and complementing accessories. The subwoofer we have today here is part of the Baric L7 line of subwoofers. In the Baric series, Kicker took the isobaric configuration that people were using in the early days, using two subwoofers to fit them in small places and put it all into one subwoofer. With a massive motor, advanced cone design, and a lot of power handling, these subwoofers can get that good low bass response in a small box. As you can see, this is a square subwoofer. A square subwoofer has a lot more cone area, so it has more output since it can push more air, which makes the bass louder and deeper. Actually, a square subwoofer has almost 25% more cone area than a round subwoofer in the same size. Imagine the bass you can get with one of these 15-inch subwoofers that has about 2,000 watts peak power. Now, let's talk about the technology and the details that make these subwoofers so great. First thing I'm going to talk about is the cone area. Kicker uses a cone called Silicon, which is made of high-quality polypropylene that is injection molded into one single piece. This process and materials makes this cone ultra-rigid and gives a reliable performance and accurate response since the cone can hardly flex and has less distortion. If you look over here, you can see the stitches that connect the cone to the surround. They use stitches as well as special adhesive, and that helps the subwoofer last much longer. The surround is made of santoprene, which is kind of a mix of rubber and polypropylene. This material is very flexible and durable, even in extreme hot and cold environments, like the interior of your car may exhibit. The corners of the surround are ribbed, and that's what provides them the ability to flex more as the sub is moving back and forth within the excursion so they don't crack over time. If we turn the subwoofer to the side, you can see the push spring terminals. These are very solid and secure, and the spring makes the installation easy. The subwoofer has a cast aluminum basket. The aluminum provides a strong motor foundation, maintaining a low temperature since it can dissipate heat faster than other metals. Aluminum also has mild magnetic field, and so it isn't affected from the large magnet the subwoofer has. All of that gives a very efficient motion, as well as protecting the Baric's specialized inner workings. Now, if you take a look inside, you can see another Kicker technology. Along the spider, you can see the spiral lead tinsel leads. The leads are stitched and glued to the spider rolls for reliable performance when pushed to the limits. The spider itself is a progressive roll spider. You can notice the bumps start out large and get smaller. That keeps the stress away from the glue joint of the spider landing, and it's another thing that helps the subwoofer last much longer. We cannot really see it, but this subwoofer has dual voice coils with high-temp copper windings that can handle extreme power levels for long durations without burning out. It also has a teacup top plate that extends the magnetic field of the motor, adding balanced motor strength throughout the entire excursion path of the voice coil. The solid dome, extended pole piece maintains precise voice coil control and also aids in heat dissipation. The magnet is a solid pole and sealed, otherwise known as ventless. This provides the possibility to use a shallower box for this subwoofer without worrying about ventilation or obstructing the airflow that your average subwoofer may require. In order to provide the needed cooling and airflow, we've vented the back bracing. Along the sides here you can notice the venting. It provides maximum airflow to cool the voice coil during operation. The 360 degrees constant contact back bracing adheres directly to every contour, the cone to maximize mechanical coupling of the motor, maintaining precise linear excursion while making the woofer as strong and responsive as possible. The subwoofer motor has massive structure. Together with Kicker's patented square woofer technology, this subwoofer provides extreme output capability. They are available in 4 options: 15, 12, 10, and 8 inches, and comes in 2 or 4 ohm versions. For aesthetics and extra protection, you can top it off with an original Kicker subwoofer grill. It fits on just like this, and it's super easy. You can look for us on YouTube, Facebook, and many other places for more product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon.